So, what you're going to need is the buttons, which this comes in the Amazon pack, and then the epoxy clear adhesive attachment that goes on top of the buttons. Obviously the pictures. These are the ones I'm making for my own little buttons. I'm making them into magnets. You can use yours for whatever you want. And then obviously glue. This is E6000 glue. I got it for about $4 at Michael's. So it just depends on your preference. Amazon also sells it. And lastly, a 1-inch cutter, paper cutter, because the insert for the bottle caps is about a diameter, like the radius is about 1 inch. So just so you know, you're going to need something to cut out your little pictures. You can use it with scissors, but I mean, it'll take you forever. So for mine, I found a sheet online. I'll show you what it originally looked like. So it originally looked like this. I found it online for just 1-inch, circles, and then I just put my own pictures in the circles so that I know that the pictures that I have are about 1 inch and will fit. You're going to want to start off with picking whatever color you want. The next one I'm making is going to be red. And then get your hole punch, and then just cut out your image that you're going to put in the... Boom! Pops out. Just like that. Pretty simple. Okay. So, just put your picture in the button. Just make sure that it fits right, and mine does. Boop. And then, you're just going to glue it. Very simple. The first one I made, I put a little bit too much glue, so just a good layer. The one thing about this glue though is that it does come out by itself, so just be aware of that you will have glue everywhere, and it's not just you. So one good layer in the middle is fine. Glue, put the cap back on. Okay. Plop the picture in. Now, it's up to you if you want to wait for the glue to dry on the picture. You don't really have to. Then, I'm not, because I don't have the patience. You can go ahead and put the button on there. The epoxy, and plop that on there as well. Make sure it adheres to the picture. What's really nice about the epoxy buttons that it does kind of make a magnified look for your picture. And then that's it. This product, boom, and there's Allie's face and a button. And earlier today I did Poopy also as well. Aren't they so cute?